Hi guys, welcome to Smith's Nature Friendly Farm. We are sharing with you guys here my journey from a city dweller life in Calgary, Alberta, Canada, where I made the move to small town Mississippi. Totally gardening in a brand new environment in a zone climate of 8B. From Calgary was a zone 3, so a totally big difference in the type of gardening that we're doing. I've left my role from marketing in a corporate office in Calgary, Alberta, to come to an environment where I get to spend every day doing what I absolutely love and being with nature, which is my passion. So I am now a market seller. We have started a business from the ground up, which is Smith's Nature Friendly Farms, and each year we continue to grow it, and along the way I share what's going on at the farm with you guys here on my channel. We have converted the landscape a fair bit since being here. We've only been here since around 2019, and in that time we've converted the landscape from a heavily mowed yard into a little bit of a nature haven. And our goal is to work in balance with nature. We're not nature perfect, but we are definitely nature friendly. We're passionate about people, pets, and plants, and our farm carries ducks, chickens, dogs, and definitely lots of nature. So there'll be lots on our channel with regards to the animals that exist within our home and our love for nature. A good portion of what you find here will be about our gardens and related to our farm for sure, But along the way, we'll also share with you some neat things that we encounter in our journey in Mississippi. So that might include some traveling that we do. It might include some of the amazing local people that are doing some huge things for society that I think is awesome and needs to be shared. So there'll be lots of different things that you'll find on our channel. The odd recipe, who knows where we'll take it, but we'll be here. It'll all relate to our Smith's Nature Friendly Farms, and we'll take it out there and show you what's going on in Mississippi. At the end of every video, we will sign off in the same way: be friendly, be kind. And that's because we wholeheartedly believe in kindness. It is something very, very important to us. We don't care who you are, what your beliefs are, as long as you are kind to people, kind to nature, kind to animals, kind to yourself. That's what we absolutely love. We truly believe in kindness. So no matter why you're here, we hope you'll stick around and stay. Hit that subscribe button and be friendly, be kind.